goes to Avignon Clinic's official launch of its newest beauty treatment, Zafiro, with celebrity endorser Barbie Forteza. Payata! For Pep. Hi, girl!
Hello! Hi, sweet girl. Sweet girl.
Hello from Summit Editors. Check out how Barbie made it a point to mingle with everybody at the party. Here, she's with Nicole Cordoves. Then she also said hi to Roberta Tamondong. Ang saya ng chikahan. Next, she went to Hannah Arnold. Then she also introduced herself to Amalia Shakirova.
Teka lang po, pasukin lang po natin ang aming manager po, si Miss Jan Navarro po of Spark. Hindi ka dito, Miss Jan! Di mo naman sinabi birthday ko pala! Zafiro, when I got back from Canada, na sobrang lala ng jet lag ko. Tapos sabi ko, sige nga, pupunta ako ng BGC, suuhin ko yung traffic ng BGC. Kasi doon lang meron, sa BGC pa lang. Kasi Avignon pa lang ang first ever clinic na merong Zafiro. So sa BGC lang po meron ito. And nung na-try ko siya, yung hydro exfoliation, yung the cooling, cooling refreshing. Sobrang yung refreshing and hindi mo mararamdaman pero makikita mo after yung facial, syempre, yung pag-improve ng skin texture at saka yung thermolifting. Ang gustong-gusto ko sa kanya, painless siya kasi medyo mababa po ang pain tolerance ko. So nung sinabi po sa akin ni Sir Chris na painless siya, gusto ko siya agad i-try. So totoo po siya para po sa lahat ng nakatry po ng Zafiro, di ba? Parang dahil nga nanggaling ka sa hydro exfoliation, yung malamig pa yung face mo. So pag ginawa yung thermolifting, yung second step, kahit mainit yung effect niya, hindi mo gaano mararamdaman, pero instant yung effect. Kasi nang ginawa sa akin, ito lang muna, itong face lang, ito lang sign na muna. Tapos pinakita sa akin, magkaiba siya. Ang layo! Natipaw siya agad. Ay, tsaka kasi, meron din siyang lymphatic drainage. Okay. Kaya talagang sobrang yung skin tightening niya, talagang maganda. So, I'm very happy na finally we have it only here. First, sa Avignon Clinic.
After Zafiro, I feel like I need a lot less makeup, a lot less skincare, because there are days, like in the morning, I wake up and I'm like, wow. Like you just admire yourself. Like my skin has never felt this good. And then I would really get compliments from people that you're glowing. I don't know if it's just because I'm happy, but they really notice the changes. And it erases all the stress away, especially with my type of work where I do a lot of traveling out of town, a lot less sleeping. So this morning, actually, I woke up at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock yung event, diba? So I only did minimal makeup and I was like, you know what, I can just go with a concealer today. I could get away with it because of the Zafiro treatment. Because they said, diba, the Zafiro may post-treatment results, but it actually gets better after 21 days, but you still keep seeing the results. So I keep getting more happy with how with the outcome.
Well, I've been with Avignon for 5 years now, so I've had a lot of treatments with them, and there have been some that are a little, painful, but it's worth it for the effect. But this one, the Avignon Zafiro, is actually painless. A lot of people didn't believe it, so when they told me that also, I was like, no, that's impossible. But really, it was painless, and it was a 2-in-1 treatment. So there was a cooling effect and then the heating. And the doc showed me my results immediately, and my face really did get lifted, and it felt more hydrated. So I'm really grateful for that treatment, and I'm definitely going to come back because apparently you need 4 sessions once a month. So I'm definitely going to choose this as my go-to treatment from now on.
Parang group treatment, di ba? Na lahat kami nandun. And Siyempre, si Rocco nandito kapayat, ha? Okay! Thank you, Zafiro. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Sparkle family, Miss Joy, Sir Renz. Thank you so much po, Avignon family. Thank you po. Alright.